everyone, it's Cassie, and I have a really quick teacher hack tip for you today. And it is a website you can use to make whatever you're trying to create even more cute. So whether that's like a flyer you're making or homework or a worksheet or a digital activity, you can use this to add just a little bit of flair to your headings or your fonts, the things that you're trying to make cute. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is go to textgiraffe.com and you'll see all the different fonts that they have available. These fonts are so cool because they're colorful and cute. They're not just like the whole thing doesn't have to be black or red or whatever color you choose. So you're just going to choose the one that you like, and then in the box you're going to type what you want it to say, and when you press enter it's going to create an image that you can use anywhere you use pictures. So you can right click on it and copy it and then paste it over into a slide, or even quicker, you can click it and just drag it over into Google Slides or Google Docs or something like that. And then you have this as an image that you can resize, move around, or put however you want. So I had a couple of different ideas for ways you could use this in your class. And one idea was to signify which kid is in which group, like based on colors, because I saw this cute M&M font. And you can literally just type the kids' names inside of that font maker, and then they'll see and know which group they're in. So to do that, you just kind of go to, I think it's around page 2 where the colors start being, and then you can just click it and type their names in here and drag it over. So if you want to change groups, like maybe 2 students aren't really getting along well or something like that, you can just easily delete one of them and put them in a different group. So maybe James doesn't get to be in the red group anymore. Now he is going to be in the pink group. And so you can just quickly type it and drag him back over and fix it like that. So this is just a way just to make that a little cuter. But I had another idea. If you have a Google Slides that students are working on, maybe some kind of activity, and you want to provide them like a digital sticker, this text giraffe has several different font options that would be super cute as a digital sticker. So I went through and kind of picked some of the ones that I thought, and I'll put that in the video description so you can see which ones I was thinking about. But here's an example of one. It's called Amazing. And then you can just type in whatever you want it to say and make your own sticker and then just drag it over onto the kids' Google slide. So this is just great because we all love to use digital stickers, but this is so fast and you can customize it to how the student did inside of that activity. So easy, fast, customizable, free. This is something that I think every teacher could use. And it's something that will make your day just a little bit more fun. Kind of get away from like the work side of things and move into the creative side and make you have a better day. Anyways, I hope that you have a use for this, and I will see you next time. Bye.